And now finally, let's take a look at how we can use Object.create in order to implement a complex prototype chain. So similar to what we implemented before with the constructor functions and the classes. And so here I already copied this object which will serve as the prototype to create a new person object using Object.create. And so this will basically be our parent class. So here person proto, and so this object up here used to be the prototype of all the new person objects. But now we basically want to add another prototype in the middle of the chain. And so between person proto and the object, and what we're going to do is to make student inherit directly from person. So we're going to create an object that will be the prototype of the students. So student proto and then Object.create. This will be for now an empty object and person proto, and that's it. So let's create J and Object.create like this, and it will inherit from the student proto. And so now student proto object that we just created earlier is now the prototype of the J object. So again, the student proto object is now the prototype of the J, and the person proto object is in turn the prototype of the student proto. And so therefore, person proto is a parent prototype of J, which means that it's in turn its prototype chain. So now with the scope chain correctly established, let's also add an end method to the student proto, just as we did here with the person proto, so that we don't have to manually specify properties on any new student object. So let's add here student proto.init like this. So this is gonna be receiving first name, then birth year and course. And so now we actually use the same trick where we use constructor functions. So what I mean is to take advantage basically of this end method so that we don't have to write the same code again. So basically child prototype can reuse this end method here from the person prototype, which is the parent prototype. So that is person.end.call, because once again we want to set this keyword and this method here. So this and then first name and birth year, and then we set the course property here, which is unique to the student. So let's now use this method here and j.init like this. So let's say J born in 2010 and again computer science. Save it. So let's take a look. Yeah, that works. So let's now add the introduce method here. So student proto dot introduce and the function, and like this, my name is this dot first name and I study this dot course. So let's call that method here j dot introduce, and D that works. And now we should be able to call j.create because that method is up here in the prototype chain, and so that has to work as well. Yeah, that works. And that's actually it. So in this version, we don't even worry about constructors anymore, and also not about prototype properties, and not about the new operator. So it's really just objects linked to other objects, and it's all really simple and beautiful.